Hey friends, I hope you're having fun in quarantine. I've had a lot of requests for a braid your hair at home video tutorial. I don't know if I can teach how to braid at home, but I'm gonna try. Everybody, you're gonna need little hair ties. Doesn't matter what color. A comb and a clip or some hair ties just to clip the other side away. So typically, the braiding style people are used to is gonna be French braiding, which you can't really do to yourself, right? So I'm gonna actually teach Dutch braiding or big ass cornrows. So what we're gonna do, I've actually parted it pretty well here. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna take it back from here. So if you have not parted your hair already, you're gonna take it from the middle of your nose. All right, so I was a little off, whatever. So then I actually hold it here, separate the hair, and then I go all the way to the bottom. Okay, so then what you're gonna do, you're gonna separate your hair. So I'm gonna use this little clippy. I'm just gonna separate it so I don't get the hair mixed in. Also, something that could help with this braiding, mimosas. If you have that, start drinking them now. All right. So the first thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna actually take a little bit of hair here. And I'm gonna try to get you used to keeping your hands this way as opposed to this way. So this is for Dutch braids. These are for French braids. You can't do this on yourself, just do this. You wanted to learn, I'm teaching you. Okay. So we're gonna actually utilize our pointer, our thumb, and our middle finger. So pretend that these guys don't even exist really. So we're gonna actually separate these into 3, but we're gonna go like this. We're gonna use our 2 pointer fingers here. Actually, it's your middle and thumb here. And then your pointer here is gonna go under the middle, and you're gonna grab that one on the side. Now don't worry, we're gonna drop this for a sec so we can regroup. We're gonna pick him up, go under the middle, and over here, and we're just gonna actually braid it like usual. So like, boom, okay. So we're here. So then what you're gonna do, pointer finger goes underneath of the middle and holds this hair down, right? So you're holding it here. You're gonna take your pointer and slide the hair into the middle and gather it with that hair. Pointer goes under the hair you've just gathered and just push down on this hair here. You're gonna grab that, pinch. This pointer, it's a lot of pointer finger situation, so you're gonna put your pointer, your index finger underneath of that middle hair, and then you're gonna grab from here again and pinch. And when you pinch, you're gonna pull it away. Then you want this pointer finger to go underneath the middle again. So what we have here, hair's here. You can even move it out of the way if you need to. And then we have this here. So you can even just grab it like this. That's the whole idea, is just to kind of scrape at it to grab it. So you're gonna regroup. Grab this here, under the middle, hold. Under the middle. Grab with your thumb and your pointer. A nice clean line there. Your pointer goes underneath this mess, right there, and just holds it, right? So then you're here. You're using your pointer to grab all that hair, and now we're stretching and pulling it, and we're actually going underneath again. So we're gonna use our thumb to grab some hair, and you can actually grab less hair or have it closer to the front of your head if you want. You just move the braid accordingly. I love watching all the people jogging outside. All right. So then we're gonna go back. Since I'm doing it on myself, it should be pretty easy for you to mimic. It's better than doing it on a mannequin. At this point, you can actually turn around and look back in the mirror, make sure you didn't mess anything up. And then you're gonna keep braiding underhanded the whole way down. I hope this video finds you guys well. I hope that you learned something and that you can try these braids at home. Message me, send me, tag me in all your videos that you make. Please record this. I want to see all my clients doing this at home. So you're gonna grab a hair tie, and you can go down as far as you want. You can even stop here or here and do some space buns or something. Really cute. I'm gonna do the other side in fast motion. Nice.